By watching this video, you will be able to register for less than $7 your sole proprietorship. And for that, just below this video in the description, you will find this link. You just go and click the link. That's my affiliate link. And by using that, you will be able to get all the benefit which I'm showing in the video. You can directly register on Ontario government website where the charges is $60. However, when you use my affiliate link, you will get this done under $7 as I'm going to show you in the video. When you click on the affiliate link, you come to this website and you see here, it will give you 15% off automatically at the time of checkout. And as you go through the video, you will see what all benefit you get in addition when you go and use the affiliate link. If you directly go to their website, this is their website link. If you directly go, you will see that 15% discount is not displayed here. So once you're on the website using the affiliate link, you will come to this page and here you click get started now. Then you come to this page, let's get started. Here, since it is a new business, you click on new and then choose the province as Ontario. Click next. This is the compare your option. We are going for sole proprietorship. I made a separate video for incorporation. We will select the sole proprietorship here. Then we will give name of the company. Come to this page where you give your basic information like name, email and password, and then you sign up. Since I already have an account, once you do a sign up, you come to this page and you see the name is shown like this. And then you enter the account information, that is the phone number, then your Ontario address, and select. Here I have selected I am a Canadian resident. Who Canadian resident is? Someone who is either a citizen or permanent resident who ordinarily reside in Canada. So if you're not meeting this criteria, just go and read more. Here I have selected I am a Canadian resident. Once this is done and click next, here my company will be sole proprietorship. By default it shows and based in Ontario. Then the address gets shown and my company will operate in. This is the drop down. Choose the closest industry to which this drop down will get you to your industry. For example, if you are in arts and entertainment, you select this. And if you're in construction, you select this. I have selected consulting and business service. So once this is selected, you click next. Here you see the sole proprietorship shows $49, but don't worry. Once we go further, you will see how this discount gets applied. Click next. And now you see here the government registration, what costs $60 is free. Ownership, owner registration fee $49, but this comes back to you as you will be opening the RBC bank account. Once you select this RBC bank account, you have 60 days for you to get the RBC bank account opened. And if you're not opening within 60 days, then this money will be debited from your card. So read this carefully. And once you see the entire total, get less than $7. So once you go through this, click next, come to the final review section. Here you check, recheck, cross-check. And once you're convinced everything is good, click, you submit. And once you submit, this company will get your sole proprietorship done and they will inform you over email. Congratulations, your sole proprietorship has been registered. So friends, make sure you're using the affiliate link, get all the benefits what is shown, and also check my website under organized link. I have shared these videos where I have organized everything so that it's easy for you to go and find in case you want to know how to do a nil report, how to file return, how to get business license, and so on. So thanks for watching, guys.